Well, just before we came on air, I spoke to the Catalan MEP, Ramon Tremosa, who you saw there. He's a member of the majority party in Catalonia and is personally in favour of independence, although that's not a universal view in his party. I began by asking him why he put his question to the EU Commission.
There are a lot of parallelisms between Scotland and Catalonia. Like in Scotland, the polls in Catalonia show an increasing demand for independence. We have, depending on the polls, some polls that give a 40% in favor, but other polls shows 52, 53 in favor of independence, and it is a clear majority feeling in the youth people. Unlike in Scotland, there is a huge majority, near 80% of Catalan population, which wants real fiscal federalism. So it is the Catalan government collecting all the taxes. And it includes a lot of Spanish-speaking people and Spanish voting parties people in Catalonia. So I think that it's we follow all the debate and we admire how democracy exists in the United Kingdom, with a British Prime Minister accepting the referendum.
Yeah, just to make clear to people, just to make clear to people, one of the issues in Spain, as I understand it, is that is it written into the constitution that people in Catalonia, for example, or in the Basque Country, cannot have a similar referendum?
Yes, but this constitution was written just after Franco died, and the military powers had a lot of influence on the people who wrote that constitution. In the Basque Country was not approved. In Catalonia existed a lot of abstention, and a constitution cannot be a jail for generations and generations of citizens.
Okay,
so this is why.
Yeah,
yes, please.
Basically, you put the question because you would like to know, as Catalans,
yes,
should you have a similar vote, what the situation would be of either Scotland or Catalonia, should either of them decide to become independent?
Yes, I just wanted intellectually to know which should be the answer of the European Commission, and as I could foresee, the European Commission said that it was an internal issue of the United Kingdom, and if there were any change, United Kingdom would make the steps, necessary steps to deal with the new situation. So, but I just wanted to know, because in Catalonia a lot of people ask me about this question, so I put this written question to the Commission.
Are you satisfied with the answer? I mean, after all, the Commission has pretty much said to you, we don't really want to talk about this.
No, well, it's a very polite and bureaucratic answer by the Commission. I think that in Europe everybody knows that there will be a referendum in Scotland, and if the Scottish people vote peacefully and democratically and in a pacific way for independence, I think that the rest of European nations will accept a new state. So this is why I see in Brussels talking with other MEPs from all the political parties. So we are expecting, because in Spain I have doubts if the Spanish government would accept a majority demand from Catalans or Basques people, for instance.
All right, Mr. Tremosa, thank you very much indeed. It's been very interesting talking to you.
Thank you very much to you.
Thank you.